Welcome to AlertOps video tutorial series. In this video we will be covering the inbound log and mapping statuses. What they are, how you can use them, and how they can enable you to build your ideal incident response process. Let's get started. The inbound log is a log of all incoming data that hits an AlertOps entry point. This can be an integration endpoint, an email mailbox, or an alert created via our public API. The inbound log depicts the source of the entry point to which this particular message was routed. We can see the topic associated along with the source ID and the alert that this message was tied to provided an alert was created. Use the inbound log to configure and debug your integrations as necessary. The mapping statuses provide insight into how an inbound message was processed. Let's run through each of the core mapping statuses one by one. The pending mapping status indicates that the inbound data is currently in queue to be processed. The mapped status essentially means that the message was mapped but without any action taken. Mapping failed indicates that the inbound message didn't satisfy the appropriate filter conditions or didn't have all the values necessary as far as the source name, or source ID fields. The processing mapping status indicates the system is still evaluating the inbound message data and determining what to do with the message. Mapped ignored means that an inbound message mapped the fields, however didn't generate an alert due to one of a few reasons. Mapped ignored, close with no open, new alert with a close status was received and there are no matching open alerts to be closed. A user may have manually closed the alert and the monitoring system detected the close and sent a new close alert. Mapped ignored, status mismatch, an alert was received without a valid status value based on those pre-configured for the integration. Mapped appended means that the inbound message has the appropriate data matching an existing open alert. We have appended this message data to the existing alert. Mapped opened is fairly straightforward. This indicates that the inbound data was valid and matched the criteria to open a new alert. Mapped closed is also straightforward in that the data in the inbound message was valid and indicated that it should close out an existing alert. Mapped updated indicates that an existing alert sent out an update notification based on the values for status configured in your integration. Mapped grouped indicates that per your integration settings this inbound message has been grouped with pre-existing alerts and consolidated into a single alert. Mapping failed. No recipient status indicates that the mapping values were all valid, but there was no recipient outlined for the alert's delivery. Thank you for taking a look at the inbound log and mapping statuses. For more videos please check out our knowledge base or YouTube.